and gentlemen, so this is our third video on general studies one-liners. First question: with which the power to extend or restrict the jurisdiction of the High Court rests? That's with the Parliament. Gobar gas contains mainly which gas? That's methane, CH4. Which is the biggest public sector undertaking in the country? That's railways. Which rocks are transformed into marble? That's limestone, CaCO3. Which Englishman was fellow of Gandhiji in South Africa? That's Pollock. By which number the quantity of gasoline sample is determined? By its octane number. Due to bite of mad dog, the disease hydrophobia is caused by which virus? That's rabies virus. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? President. What is the principal reason for the formation of metamorphic rocks? Extreme heat and pressure. Who said, I therefore want freedom immediately this very night before dawn, if it can be had? Mahatma Gandhi. A temperature at which both the Fahrenheit and the centigrade scales have the same value, that's minus 40 degree, with which is the tennis court author associated? French Revolution. Which is the tax that takes away a lighter proportion of one's income as the income rises? Progressive tax. Where is the Sargasso Sea located? North Atlantic Ocean. Who commemorated that Cripps mission was a post-dated check on a crashing bank? Mahatma Gandhi. Medicine for epilepsy is obtained from which lichen? Parmelia. Up to how much age can the member of the UPSC function? 65 years. Which type of glass is used for making glass reinforced plastic? Quartz glass. Which is the greatest known ocean depth? 11033 mm. That's in the Pacific Ocean. At which one place did Mahatma Gandhi first start his satyagraha in India? Champaran. With which country is Orange Revolution associated? Ukraine. With which field was Pandit Bhimsen Joshi associated? Music. What percentage of water is lost during transpiration? 99%. What is the most populous city in the world? Tokyo. By which ruler was the practice of military gownship first introduced in India? Greeks. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? USA. When temperature gradually decreased, what is the specific heat of substance? It gets decreased. What is the mean of invisible export? Export services. Which is the country with the highest density of population in Europe? Netherlands. Bhakti Tukaram. Bhakt Tukaram was a contemporary of which Mughal Emperor? Jahangir. That's all for today.